Hello everyone, my name is Salman Aparisi and I am currently a student of Teknik Informatika at Universitas Siber Asia. My name is uh, 250401010077. Today, I'm really excited to talk about a topic that is incredibly important for all of us, the environment. Whether we realize it or not, the environment affects every part of our daily life. In this video, I want to explore what the environment truly means, why it matters, what problem it faces today, and most importantly, what we all of us can do to protect it. So let's get started. Before we dive deeper, let me give you a simple overview of what I'll be talking about. First, I will explain what the environment actually is in a simple and relatable way. Second, I will explain why this term matters and why I personally choose it. Third, I will share a personal experience that opened my eyes to environmental issue. And lastly, I will mention simple action that each of us can do to make our planet a better place. My goal today is not just to inform you, but to inspire you to care a little more about the world we live in. So, what exactly is the environment? You might think it's just a forest, ocean, or mountain, but actually, it is much more than that. The environment includes everything around us: the air we breathe, the water we drink, the land we stand on, the animals that live with us, and even the small ecosystem we really notice. It is the tree that produces oxygen, the rivers that provide water, the soil that grows our food, and the weather pattern that shape our daily activities. In other words, the environment is our life support system. Without it, nothing, absolutely nothing would survive. Now, why does the environment matter so much? Imagine trying to live in a world without clean air, without fresh water, or without healthy food. It would be impossible. The environment gives us everything: food, energy, medicine, and the beauty of nature. It also protects us. Forests help control carbon levels, wetland prevent floods, ocean regulates the climate, but when we damage this natural system, we also harm ourselves. That's why caring for the environment isn't just a good thing to do. It's essential for our survival. Unfortunately, the environment is facing many serious problems today. Pollution. One of the biggest issue is pollution. Air pollution from vehicles and factories makes it harder to breathe. Water pollution contaminates rivers and sea. Land pollution occurs when trash is dumped carelessly. Deforestation. Forests are being cut down for agriculture, housing, and industry. This destroys animal habitat. It increases carbon emission and it accelerates global warming. Climate change. We feel we feel climate change every day. Hotter temperature, longer droughts, sudden floods, and unpredictable weather patterns. It affects crops, animals, and human health. For next, waste, especially plastic waste. I want to highlight waste more deeply. Waste is garbage produced by human activities. Plastic bottle, food packaging, electronic waste, leftover food, and more. We produce far more waste than the environment can break down. Plastic waste is especially dangerous. It can take hundreds of years to decompose. It pollutes rivers, ocean, and land. Animals mistake plastic for food. They swallow it or get trapped in it. This causes injury or death. Landfills also produce methane gas. Methane contributes to global warming. If we don't manage waste properly, the damage will continue to grow. That's for issue pollution, deforestation, climate change, and excessive waste are connected. Together, they pose a serious threat to our planet. So, why did I choose the environment as my topic today? Because I see environmental issue around me all of the time. The weather feels hotter every year. Trash piles up in places that used to be clean. I see fewer trees around my area. This change so that environmental problems are not just global, they are personal. They affect our daily life, our health, and our future. If we don't start caring now, the damage may be too late to fix later. Uh, let me share let me share a personal experience that touched me deeply. There was a river near my area that I used to visit when I was younger. It was a beautiful place. Clean water, green trees, and peaceful atmosphere. Family would come to relax. Children would play near the riverbank. People enjoy its natural beauty. But when I visit the same place again recently, I was shocked. The water was dark and dirty. Trash was floating everywhere. Plastic bottles, food wrappers, or clothing. The smell was terrible. It didn't feel like the same place at all. Saying that, things broke my heart. It showed me how quickly nature can be destroyed when humans stop caring. That moment changed me. I asked myself, if I don't start doing something now, what will be left in the future? After that experience, I made a promise to be more responsible. I reduce my use of plastic, especially single-use plastic. I now carry a reusable bottle whenever I go. I throw trash in the right place. I encourage my family and friends to do the same. I also join a community cleanup event. It felt amazing to work with others who care about the environment. This action by this action may be small, but they matter. Change always begin with small steps. Next, simple action every can do. Now, let's talk about simple action everyone can do. You don't not you don't need to be a scientist or an expert to help the improvement. Every small action counts, and when many people do small things together, the impact becomes huge. First, turn off light when you don't need them. It saves electricity, it reduces water energy, and it lower emission. Second, reduce waste and reuse item. Use a reusable bottle, bring your own shopping bag. These habits reduce plastic in landfills and oceans. Third, recycle bottle, can, and paper. Recycling saves resource and it reduces environmental damage. Four, plant a tree. Even one tree makes a difference. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, they produce oxygen, and they help cool the environment. Fifth, keep your surrounding clean. Throw trash in the right place, pick up litter when you see it, join community cleanup events. Finally, support environmental programs. Join local projects, participate in awareness events, share useful information with others. Remember this. Small action from many people create big results. These actions are easy. Just start with one, then build good habits step by step. Now, we reach the conclusion of the presentation. The environment is not just the place we live, it is our home, our source of life, everything we depend on. Clean air, weather, food, beautiful nature. Without the environment, we cannot survive. But the environment cannot protect itself. It depends on us. Every tree, every river, every animal, and every piece of land need our care. What we do today will shape the world future generation inherit it. If we all take simple steps, we can make a real difference. We don't need to wait for disaster. We don't need to wait until the damage is permanent. Change start with one person and one small choice. So let's start today. Turn off like you don't need them. Reduce waste. Choose reusable items. Recycle more. Plant trees. Keep your surroundings clean and inspire others to do the same. Protecting the environment is an act of love for our planet, for our family, and for the futures. So, thank you for watching and listening. I hope this presentation encourages you to care more about the earth. Together, our small action can create a greener and more sustainable world. Thank you.